Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Voyager buying back their stock. So in order for you to find out how to figure out where Voyager, like how to figure out the trade, like the share buyback, all you do is go to ceo.ca, you search in Voyager. Once you get to this page, you click on Setter Inside Filings, and from here you can tell. So as you can see, they've purchased back 247,500 shares. They're not doing all at once. They're doing it slowly. They're trying to get the price as low as possible. So if we scroll all the way down, their first purchase was around 1855, 5,000 shares buyback, and then the next one was 10,000 more, so this is total 15, and then another 5,000, which added up to 20,000, and then another 11,400. And as you can see, it just all the way up. They're doing it in small chunks. They're not just buying it all at once. Basically dollar cost averaging for buying back their stock, which is a really bullish sign. They want to buy back 5% of their float. So in theory, if we take out a calculator, they have about 160 million shares, I think. After the warrants get exercised, it could be more, it could be less, I don't know. But I'm just doing an estimate. 5% of their stock. That means that they have the ability to buy up to 8 million shares back from the market. So I would rather them buy the stock as low as possible. So I want the stock price to actually go down, not go up, because I want them to buy their stock back as low as possible. But that's just my opinion, and we'll see what happens. I think right now Voyager is probably making so much money right now that they don't know what to do with their money besides buy back stock. At least that's what I think. I mean, they're already doing what they should be doing. Sometimes money doesn't solve everything. It's time, because you can't just have unlimited money and then expect everything to be done in the snap of a finger. The world doesn't work like that. Intel can't just come out and make a new CPU like that. It takes years of development, billions of dollars. Same with AMD. It takes years of development and billions of dollars in order for AMD to come out with a new CPU. Voyager, the new platform for Europe, that will take money and time. You can't just do everything all at once just because you throw money at it. And sometimes if you rush a project and you throw so much money at a project, it actually comes out worse than what it is. So it's better to take your time and to do it right and proper and at a cost efficient way than to just throw money at it and try to rush the project. I think that buying back stock is really good, very bullish sign for long-term shareholders, and I think that this is very, very good news. So yeah, Voyager today was just kind of floating sideways, didn't really do anything. I'm hoping to see this thing go down to like $15 so they can buy back stock at even cheaper prices. But again, I don't control the market. If a bunch of retail investors and institutions decided that, hey, we want to buy it at these prices, push the stock price up higher, it is what it is. I mean, I don't control the market, but personally, I just want the stock price to go down so they can buy back as cheap as possible, because I'm not looking at Voyager in the short term. I'm looking at Voyager in the long term, and I want them to use their cash as efficient as possible. So we'll see what happens, but I'm very bullish on this company long term. I think greatness is in the cards, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, I kind of want to make this an 8-minute video. Today Coinbase was doing really good. because of the whole Binance news. Coinbase was up 9.86%. I wish I bought some this morning. Like, I told myself that it was going to get pumped and I should have bought some right in the morning. I would have been very happy. It, 230 looked like a really good price. But hey, whatever, it is what it is. Could have made an easy, 6-7% return on investment. But I didn't act on it quick enough and I lost out on it. So it is what it is. And, sucks. Big digital asset today was up 3.92%. Big was supposed to release the netcoins.ca applied El Salvador plan to integrate digital currencies into economy, disrupts world banking stance. Nasdaq listed Zinzak. Interesting. But Voyager, Big Digital was supposed to launch the the app in the month of June, and we're near the end of June already, and they still haven't launched the app. But I kind of expected that because things don't work out like you plan. Like, you say something and it never just actually works out as what you say. Look at Tesla. They overpromise and they always delayed. But it didn't matter because at the end of the day, the stock still got pumped to over $500 billion. So as long as this company execute, maybe one day the stock will get pumped. I'm not. I think Big is a interesting company, but the problem is they have a lot of competition. There's a lot of people in this market that is after market share, and Voyager is one of them, and Big has to compete with Voyager, Coinbase, Binance, having their own problems right now. But yeah, Big is a interesting company. If it goes low enough, I may buy some as a potential swing trade, but that's my opinion and not financial advice. High Tide, they had their earnings. The stock is up 31 cents after hours. I don't really have too much to say about that. I mean, tomorrow could be a pump. From a charting perspective, it looks like it's ready to run. We'll see what happens. The company is profitable, which is more important than revenue growth. Being consistently profitable is a good sign, very good sign. So I hope the company is the best. The stock is is fair value, I guess. I mean, the value of a stock is determined on what investors are willing to pump, or maybe not investors, maybe the bond market or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.